Ran into a slight hiccup here. Planning on wiring it to the light switch so that when you pulled out a little bit to the parking light, just the dash lights would come on, and when you pulled it out the whole way, like the headlights in an old car, it would have all the other lights, so like the temp, the oil, the generator, the turn signals, everything. Problem is, this switch is either broken or it's similar to an early Nova switch. And what I mean by that is it does not have a separate parking light position. So checking it with a meter, couldn't figure out how to get one of the pins to just light up with parking light and everything else to light up with headlights. They all did the same thing. It was either on or off. I'm now going to actually wire in the ignition switch. So it will be tied into the ignition switch. When you turn the car on with the ignition switch, the dash lights will light up. And then when you pull out the headlight switch, all the other lights like the temperature, oil, turn signals. So a slight change, but it should turn out pretty darn cool.